My name is Hannah Dahi. I'm an architect and the director of BioMat. That stands for Bio-Based Materials and Material Cycles in Architecture. BioMat is located in Stuttgart and in Copenhagen. We basically design for the future by understanding what type of resources we have. The applied philosophy is called materials as a design tool. And materials here is just a synonym for resources, the available resources that we have in hand. Basically, renewable resources, or better to say, annually renewable resources that are based on plant fibers, living materials, and other available local resources. Here we start differently as architects. We have a good look at what material technologies exist, what type of developments we could make, and what type of fabrication systems we have. And then we have all this entered as design inputs together with our digital design tools. We have a big team of collaborators, both from research institutes and industrial partners. We basically start by a material and see how far we could go. Like, for instance, straw fibers that are agricultural residues. Instead of burning them out in open fields, we get them in hand, and through plastic technologies and composite techniques, we have a possibility to turn them into building components. And in another approach, we used alternative fibers out of local hemp and flax fibers, where we could turn them through pultrusion into linear elements and build out of it crossed beam shell constructions of a span of 10 meters. In another project, there is a possibility to even build bridges out of it. This is in collaboration with EU partners from 4 different European countries and 14 partners, as well as 3 cities, to build bridges for the future. In another composition, it was possible to apply additive manufacturing technologies like tailor fiber placement, where we use textile-based techniques to create 3D modules and building components. Also 3D printing out of recycled sew, rest. Together with bioplastics, we created 3D printed objects like the one we have here in the middle of Venice, in Palazzo Mora, where we are exhibiting till November 2023 this 3D printed column out of this 3D filaments that were created from the rest of the timber and bioplastics. Have a look at our websites to have more information about our projects, and come along to collaborate with us in the next project.